How to make orange grapefruit cake. To begin, we're going to combine our oil with our sugar. Mix that really well, then we're going to add our eggs one by one. So in total 3 eggs, but we're adding them at different intervals. So now we're going to add our dry ingredients and our wet ingredients to our batter. If you are a new viewer, please consider subscribing, liking, commenting, and sharing this video with your friends and family. And welcome back to all my returning viewers. As you can see, I'm mixing the batter very well because I want to ensure that it is well combined. I don't want any flour to be, or the flour mixture to be at the bottom. I want everything to be well combined. As you can see, the batter is really nice and smooth and glossy. And we're going to add our teaspoon of vanilla extract and we're just going to whisk that in. Now we're going to pour our batter into our greased baking tin and we're going to place this in the oven to bake for 35 minutes until insert until it comes out clean at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This is a finished product. I'm going to cut it so that you guys can see what it looks like. As you can see, it came out really clean out of the pan, so that's awesome. So ensure to grease your baking tin properly. Here I'm just showing you what the cake looks like, and right now I'm about to cut it. So this is what it looks like. It is best to serve when it is completely cooled. It was really moist and so flavorful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.